Alright. 2017. So hey guys, this is Delhi Downshift. Like you don't know who this is. Hey, very happy New Year. Sorry, I'm I'm very late into this. There's no explanation to it. I'm just plain lazy. It just rained. It just rained last night, and the weather is quite chilly. My tires are like plain ganja tires, no treads on it, flat. I shouldn't be calling them flat tires, but they are worn out completely. And if the bike slips and I fall and I die, don't blame the bike. It's just the tires which have been worn out. You can blame me. All right, let's just a quick refuel. Speed, भैया speed डलवाना है जी. Yeah.
97.
I have no idea what speed 97 is. I'm just acting like I'm a rich bloke. इज्जत है भाई, इज्जत. Delhi Downshift.
इसको बंद कर लो, उड़ जाएगा.
Sorry. So I just got schooled by that old lady like, भैया ये फ्यूल टैंक लिट बंद कर लो, पेट्रोल उड़ जाएगा. Green light, just okay. All right. Yeah, very smooth, very smooth, very smooth, very smooth, bete, very smooth, very smooth. Oh no, not so smooth, not so smooth. Using your phone while driving, you f***ing retard. Alright, so everybody is using their phone these days. Wow, you just look at them. They are just sitting in a bus. They are not using their phones. F***ing assholes are driving. I don't know this or not, but I don't have a horn in my bike. Actually, I do, but it doesn't work. As you can see, it doesn't work. And it was supposed to be a very loud horn, and I don't like loud horns, so I'm not getting that fixed. I'll be getting a new one. A basic stock horn. I even contacted the service center for this. It's not available there. I have been there twice for the same, and same answer. It's not available because people don't usually get stock horns back on their bikes once they get louder horn. I was just while getting refueled, I was just thinking of a title for this video, and as I'm going for a horn, I think I should use a bit of a funny sentence like my bike gets horny, but I won't do it. This sounds way too bad. Way too bad. Since it's not available in the service center, I'll be going to Naiwala in Karol Bagh, Delhi. And if you live in Delhi and you don't know Naiwala, and if you're riding a motorcycle, bro, so I'll show you around. It's a nice place. It's like the biggest motorcycle market in all of India, I think. You get everything there. You get a lot of amazing Chinese stuff. So not really amazing Chinese stuff. You get good things as well. You get domestic brands like DSG to those big buck foreign brands like Alpine Stars, Dainese, and Revit. You get sticker jobs, you get paint jobs, you get service for your bike, you get all kinds of things, all kinds of tools, all kinds of spare parts, all kinds of lubricants, oils, everything bike, everything motorcycles, you'll get there. I'll just probably just skip this whole useless traffic. Alright, you can squeeze in there. Alright, oh, real smooth, really smooth. Okay, thank you, Uncle J. Around this area, in front of the Hotel Southern, you'll find a lot of shitloads of mechanics. Some of them are really good. I don't need a mechanic right now. I need a horn, and if I get lucky, I'll probably buy some tank grips as well. But I am not sure if I'll find them here because it's not a thing that people usually buy locally. You know, you'll see a lot of mechanics doing their shit. Okay, he was trying to stop my bike. No, he was not a thief. He was just doing a little marketing gig right there. भैया कुछ कराना है, भैया कुछ करा लो, भैया HID लगवा लो. नहीं, that's a nice bike. That's not a nice bike. You look like shit. I know a couple of shops around here, so I'll just straight go to them. I won't, just move around because I don't know how much juice I have left in my camera. So let's just. Alright, so this is the place where you get super bikes. There is a Hayabusa standing right there. कौन सी शॉप से हो दोस्त? अच्छा, अरे मैं पूछ नॉर्मल वाला, वो तेज वाला नहीं.
देख लो बहुत तरीके के हैं.
हाँ,
बहुत तरीके, हल्की आवाज में भी है, तेज में भी है, जैसे
हल्की आवाज़ चाहिए भाई. और भैया हॉर्न चाहिए, बेसिक हल्की आवाज़ वाला, वही लाउड वाउड वाला नहीं.
आरसी में लगाना है.
स्टॉक मेरे को मिल नहीं रहा, सर्विस सेंटर में ट्राई कर रहा था.
तो मतलब नॉर्मल साउंड में चाहिए, पीपी वाले.
नॉर्मल साउंड जैसा स्टॉक आता है बाइक के साथ. ये
कंपनी से यही आते हैं.
हाँ ठीक है. कौन सा बेटर है इन दोनों में से?
बेटर ये ले लो, ये सही है. ये वाले 520 रुपये का पड़ेगा.
और ये
वाला आपको पड़ेगा 30
फ़र्क क्या है?
साइज का फर्क है. छोटे साइज में इसके साउंड थोड़ी सी कम. ये
तो ये लगाओ ना, सस्ता है वो.
भाई साउंड के आपके जो हॉर्न है ना, ये अंदर लगी.
हाँ.
तो आवाज़ आपकी और दब जाएगी.
बट ऐसा नहीं चाहिए कि थोड़ा हॉर्न लाउड हो और मेरी फेयरिंग लूज हो जाए.
लाउड नहीं, वैसे लाउड नहीं आता. वो मैं आपको दिखाई नहीं रहा, गाड़ी के हिसाब से आनी नहीं होती.
टेस्ट कर सकते हो?
वैसे वो तो अंदर ही लगता है. लगाए मैं गाड़ी, मैंने उस हिसाब से मैंने और दूसरा पीस निकाल के दिखाया था. 2 ही पीस निकाल के दिखाया क्योंकि इन दोनों चीज़ों का एक्सपीरियंस लिया हुआ. ये लगाए हैं और उसके अंदर फिर आवाज़ आती नहीं आपको, क्योंकि अंदर है ना आवाज़ पूरी दब जाती है.
ये लगा दो. So I got the horn and I was surrounded by a lot of Harley dudes, friendly Harley dudes I would say. But I don't know why they just keep on accessorizing their bikes. Like they'll add this, they'll add shitload of lights and everything. They'll add shitload of stickers, vinyls, rim tapes, like as you can see here. बस start रहने दे. Ran out of juice on my bike. This is the most trickiest battery cover ever in the history of motorcycles. Like, let's just give it a. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. This place is crazy actually. Like 5 minutes ago, this place was completely jam packed. And a guy was about to be ran over by a car. So I have a I actually thought where the horn switch is. I have been riding this bike for like 3-4 months now and I don't know where the horn switch is. This market is quite every street is full of wholesale vendors. Yeah, I did search for the tank grips. I'll go to some other shops as well, try my luck there, and let's see if we can find something. And yes, horn bros, horn. As you can see, there are a lot of bikes, lots of bikes there. I'll try to get there. I'll show you around. I won't go just like that. I'll show you around. Hajjabe! Sheesh kebabs. So yeah, this is the main bike street. You'll get good good tires there, and this is where you get, you know, second-hand motorcycles. As you can see, on my left there are bikes, on my right there are bikes. Somebody is okay, that is Sweet Ninja 300, sweet bike. So yeah, this is Naiwala and Karol Bagh for you, where you get shitloads of accessories, any bike if you want. They even source sports bikes for you. So yeah, yeah. Oh ho ho ho! Wow. Let's try out this shop. Uh, Tank grips RC 390 के लिए यार टेक स्पेक महंगा होगा, ये तो बड़ा महंगा होगा। कितने का है
टैक्स पैक का? ये 65 रुपये।
ओ तेरी, कोई थोड़ा कम का नहीं है? एक वो आता है ना ट्रांसपेरेंट सा, 2-3 हज़ार का था यार।
जो साइड में लगने वाला चाहिए क्या?
हाँ।
ऐसे ही चाहिए क्या आपको?
हाँ, बस ये टेक्स पैक ही रखते हो?
सर क्वालिटी जो चीज,
हाँ नहीं, ये क्वालिटी अच्छी है।
एक बार लगा दिया लाइफ टाइम छुट्टी।
6,500 rupees for a f***ing set of tank grips. That's it from my side, guys. This is Delhi Downshift signing off and wishing you a very happy new year. Take care, ride safe. That was an asshole. Don't ride like him. Be a good guy, be a downshifter. Take care. Bye bye.